Kia ora koutou katoa. Today we're going to look at kei hia, where. You'll find a link to these fun activity sheets in the description panel below. Unga, on top of. Raro, under. Roto, inside. Waho, outside. Muri, behind. Mua, in front. Kei hia te niru, where is the cat? Kei runga te niru I te tipu, the cat is on the table. Kei hia te niru, where is the cat? Kei raro te niru I te tipu, the cat is under the table. Kei hia te niru, where is the cat? Kei roto te niru I te pōaka, the cat is inside the box. Kei hia te niru, where is the cat? Kei waho te niru I te pōaka, the cat is outside the box. Kei hia te niru, where is the cat? Kei mua te niru I te motuka, the cat is in front of the car. Kei hia te niru, where is the cat? Kei muri te niru I te motuka, the cat is behind the car. Here are some kupu words you'll find in the activity sheet. Who, shoe. Āporo, apple. Manu, bird. Rākau, tree. Whare, house. Motuka, car. If you found this video helpful, you can find more videos on YouTube under Educos links. Ka kite anō. See you again.